earthquake, something about earthquake. Oh my god. Wow. Oh wow.
No, that's actually quite cool.
That is actually really cool. Is that a mirror down on the floor? Or is it actually... Oh my god, it's not a mirror.
It's not a mirror.
Wow. That is really cool. I can't believe that earthquake thing, that was so funny. But she just got attacked on there. This is huge. I mean, like, here's
Not me thinking it was like...
It's pretty big. What's that then? Do you have to, right, watch out for the floor, that's the trick. It's quite funky, isn't it? What's that? Looks like the Blue Lagoon this time. Oh yeah, look at this. This is cool. And in here there's some real lava. I'm just kidding, it's actually just a projection one. Did I trick you? Probably not, knowing me. It's so funky, isn't it? It's that projection lava. There's that plume we just saw in the room. It's gone. What's over here then? These aren't projections, these are like under there. Fabric. Pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, there's always has to be someone with the flash. Another like little projection of some lava. It's like the Bees exhibition in the Liverpool World Museum. So in the last room of the exhibition, that's been quite funky. Shall we? Oh, it gives you information, look. That's the cinema where we saw the show, just through there. And this is where we had our first speech about Iceland and the volcanoes, and there's a map of Iceland up on the ceiling there. It's pretty cool as well. And that was the lava centre, it's very nice in there. And now we're on our way to the coach to go on one of the glaciers. I know. Well, we're going to the lava show later the week, which is where they make the lava. Down like a river town.
Yeah, you need to go. Start until very good.
That's the observation area up there, where you can go and look at all the volcanoes, but we kind of did that just in a big projection room at the end. Those mountains are there with the snow on. They are the volcanoes we just saw in the Lava Museum. So this here is the Skyfall's waterfall, we think. It's 60 meters high, and we're going up towards. So apparently normally this doesn't actually make this much of a river, because there's a lot of water coming down it today. It's formed two kind of rivers with a verge in the middle of rock. If you look at the sun, you can probably see there's like a fine mist in the air. It's a bit craggy, and in fact there's a staircase. Of how many stairs is it?
So you go down
500 steps up to a viewpoint up there. Just say it comes and meets there, and then it gets you kind of on where the waterfall, and it's just there.
I miss my mum will love this.
Going down like a really steep hill in gale force winds. There's the road down at the bottom there. So it is horrific wind, it's horrific rain. We're going to the black sand beaches. I've got like 2 coats on, which is quite funny. We're just kind of going to go for everything. And apparently it's on amber, but it could be on red. It could go to red. We'll see. Look at the view like. I don't even know if you can hear me with the wind. I've not got my dead cat on. Because once you get a dead cat wet, that's it. It takes ages to dry, doesn't it? So, you know, oh wow, look at that. This is the traffic light system. This is what tells you how far up on to the beach you can go because of sneaker waves, but I'll talk about those later. I'm not doing it now. It's the random waves that can come up the beach and take you out to shore, so...
Stacking a stump.
Look at that. So that over there, that rock, is the boat that the troll turned over. And we're on our way back now. That was, I'm literally freezing over. I'm so glad I put this wet coat on, because otherwise my coat would be soaked through to the glacier wall. Oh yeah, I've got trousers as well. Oh, blimey. This has got to be some of the funniest content, like, ever filmed. Although, mind you, I'm funny well. That was quite a funny video as well. I don't know what this is pretty funny. I'm literally freezing over. Oh, my hood. Oh, no. There we go. Actually, it's better forwards. Go. Oh my god. My hood's gone. It's back. I'm so cold. I don't know. Just get me on any coach.
Anyone.
It'd take me back to the airport as well.
Get on the first plane.
Oh dear. Oh. Oh. Get me on this bus. Yeah, just over. Oh. Sorry, it's okay.
Oh, look at that.
We're back in it, but not for long, because we're going into the supermarket. We're all stocked up and we're leaving. How much did that cost you?
£8.
£8.
1,267 kroner.
Oh, sure, that's
If
pretty.
any of you are interested.
That's pretty good, that. So apparently this place started out as a service station that sold burgers. And now it's a supermarket. Anyway, we're going back to the bus now, so brace yourself. Oh, we've got lost. Oh, there's just a hole in the road.
No, it's over here. It's not in it. Yeah, it's not. It's not in there.
There's no one in there. We're going back in because the coach is locked because the driver's gone the train. So we're here on the glacier moment, it's kind of full. So I won't be able to do lots of filming, it's the fun we stop, but there is the glacier that we're going up essentially. It's very windy. Grandpa's on. We're ready to go up onto the glacier now. Actually, Black Sand Beach, which is good. So I missed it earlier, but we're on one now, kind of. You know, this is the glacier lake, and it's come all the way this way. They said in about 2010, when I was born. So it's between those two bits there. It's been all the way back to here now. So we just knocked some ice out and then we got to taste it. How old was the water, Noah?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Pretty old.
7 something years old water, very old water from inside the rock. mean, that is amazing. We're on the way down to take our crampons off now. That's kind of where we came up. Over there. Now we're heading down on all this ash here. All the way down.
Fishing.
Oh, this one's good here. Just go for it. There we go. Oh. There we go.
Not smarter, not harder.
There we go. Lovely, just washing our crampons in the glacier lake. We were just up there a minute ago. Lovely. So we're all done now after a lovely hike. Got my stuff here. And we're heading round. Oh, I thought that would be it, to be honest. We're just heading round now to the visitor centre where we got our stuff. We met our tour guide who was lovely. He's called Robert. Glacier just behind. Now we're going to a waterfall before we kind of end today. Probably end the day 2 vlog in the room again, so it's easier. Of course, check out the day 1 vlog that went up on Wednesday. And this will be out, well, this is out on Friday if you're staying up to date. If you're not, there'll be a playlist. It's also linked up there now. But yeah, that's almost it really. We're going to a waterfall you can actually walk behind. This one's called Sky Foss. And I know that because it's one of the famous waterfalls here. The sky obviously meaning sky and then foss meaning water. Which is pretty cool. And we're all done, we just dropped off our stuff. And now we're back onto the coach, which is just there. Right here is the second waterfall. This one is very cool and we're going to go behind, so we're going to get wet. So we're rocking the 2 coats again. We're off behind it. Here we go. Is this a queue? What we're waiting in?
Dude, what is this outfit?
Don't ask questions. It's fine. Wow, that is quite something. Yeah, hide behind me now. So we're almost at the top of the stairs. Wow. It's quite something. The stairs are here. On like the best quality. They're rocking around a bit. Here we are behind the waterfall. Wow. Right, so we're off down more the waterfall, and I'm pretty wet, but we're going like right next to one of the like little side bits. So no. And there we go, that was the waterfall cave thing. We're going straight into it now. There we go. Oh, that's not nice. So it hit right in the face. Here's a smaller side waterfall, and there's like some water rising out that snow, which is quite funny. I like that a lot. And we're on our way to another waterfall. We're doing a bit of a waterfalls day today. That's why I've called it that on the title. There it is. Go around and have a look at this, I think, or maybe another one actually, I don't know. So we're going into a cave next to a river. This waterfall.